Everybody, today we are going to learn about count function in Excel. Okay, let's look at this database which we have. There are multiple count functions. We'll look at each one of them. So let's see. I want to count number of records in this database. Since this is a very small database, I just count in here and I can get 7. However, that's not possible if I have a bigger database. So what is the function for it? So it says count number of records in here. So it gives us 7 records. If you see, there's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 records. There is one more function called CountA, which if you select this range, see. So how come when the range is B3 to 10, whereas same B3 to 10 range I have got two different numbers 7 and 8. The thing is, count will only count the numerical values. In here, even if my range is bigger, wherein it has a textual data here as a header, it has not counted it. It is only looked at the numerical value 7. Whereas what count A does is it will also look at any data which comes within that range, irrespective of whether it's a textual data, whether if it is a blank data, or whether it's a numerical data. So when I say blank data, let's say even if it doesn't count blank data, so it will only count whatever type of data it will fall under. So in this case, textual as well as numeric was counted, whereas in count it will only be numerical data. Now let's look at other function, Countblank. Now as the name suggests, it will just look at blanks if there are any blanks in the range. There are no blanks. Suppose I delete this, so I get 1. Sorry. Now what is the other function? Countblank we looked at. Okay, we're going to look at CountIf function. Now as the text says, count if particular criteria is met. So let's look at CountIf and give a range. Count only if the value is greater than 50. So it says 5. Let's check. 1 2 3 4 5. So this is the condition which I have. It will only count if any of the value is greater than or equal to 50. That's CountIf. CountIfs. So in the previous thing when we looked at CountIf, it was only one condition it can take, one range, whereas in here CountIfs we can provide multiple range along with multiple condition. So in this case, if I give this range, CountIf greater than equal to 50. Now second range in English, it should have range of say greater than equal to 60. Look at one more in math, it should have greater than equal to 90. So what will this be? To look at combination of all. So it says 4. Now this is, if I look in here, B4 to B10 greater than equal to 50. 1 2 3 4 5. At the same time, in English, we have given a condition is greater than or equal to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whereas in maths, it should be greater than or equal to 90. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a union of three conditions and it will throw a result. So 4. So it's basically this range greater than or equal to 50 and this range equal to 50 and this range equal to 90. So that's an AND condition. If we have to split this into 3, let's see, we'll write it in here. CountIf is greater than or equal to 50 we gave. I'll copy, paste it here and paste it here, and I'll change the condition. It was 660, this was 90. So the union, since it's an AND condition, it will be the least count of it, so 4. So instead of writing 3 different conditions to get an answer, in this case we can get it using one function. Now to reiterate, count, it will just count the numerical thing, counts the numerical answers. In this case I have 7. Count A counts all types of values it encounters, that is text as well as numerical value. Count A. Now count blank counts all the blank values encountered. CountIf, as name suggests, it's a conditional count, so it will only count between this B3 to B10 range if the value is greater than or equal to 50. Counts based on the condition provided, that is CountIf. Now CountIfs, it's a combination of CountIf conditions which is based on AND methodology. So in this case, count if B4 to B10 greater than 50 and C4 to C9 greater than 60 and D4 to D10 greater than 90. So what is the union of it? So it's a union of expressions and returns the values and condition. So I'm deleting this. Again, to reiterate, count will count just a numerical value irrespective of what range you have given, will count the numerical value. Count A, it will count textual as well as numerical values. Count blank will count the blanks if it encounters. Like here, if I've deleted, counts 1. CountIf searches on the filtered criteria which has been provided between B3 to B10, count only if value is greater than or equal to 50. So I get 5 records. CountIfs is a union of multiple expressions which we have given. So it works on AND methodology. So these are the few type of count conditions are available in Excel. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.